Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'll be swatching the Christmas Lover Gel Polish Set in partnership with MelodySusie. So this set includes 8 different gel shades that come in these cute mini bottles. I'll be applying 4 colors at a time, so I'll show the first coat, cure, and then apply the second coat. These first 2 shades are pretty similar, but once the second coat goes on, you can see the difference. I think both of these are really pretty nude colors. Even though this set is labeled as Christmas colors, I think you can definitely use these for so many different occasions, and of course the sparkly ones are great for New Year's. Also, if you'd like to grab this set or anything else at MelodySusie, you can use my code HANNAH12 for 12% off. Here's the second set of shades. I really love all these together as a Christmas Skittle Mani, and I love the sparkly red, which I think is probably my favorite. So that's it for these swatches. I hope you enjoyed them. Thanks for watching and happy holidays!